Warm greetings from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am Professor Radhika from Chemistry Department. In this video, we discuss about the more important non-conventional energy source of wind energy and solar energy. After completion of this topic, the students can explain the recent development in non-conventional energy source. Let us see the solar energy. Solar energy is nothing but the energy which is derived from the sun is known as solar energy. That solar energy can be converted into electrical energy with the help of solar cells. The basic principle involved in the solar cell is based on the photovoltaic effect. When the solar rays fall on the two layers of semiconductor device, a potential difference developed in between the two layers cause the flow of electrons which produces the electrical current. Normally, the solar cells containing the p-type semiconductor as well as the n-type semiconductors, they are close in contact with each other. So this is a diagram of solar panel which is placed on the top of the home. When the solar rays fall on the top layer of p-type semiconductor, the electrons from the valence bond get promoted to conduction bond and cross the p-n junction. Therefore, p-n junction into n-type semiconductor. Therefore, a potential difference developed in between these two layers causes the flow of electrons. When the p and n layers are connected to an external circuit, the electron flow from n layer to p layer and hence current is generated. This potential difference increases the more solar rays fall on the surface of the top layer. These solar cells are used in lighting purpose and also used to run the solar pumps, used in calculators, electronic watches, radios, TVs. They are superior to other type of cells because of non-polluting. They are eco-friendly, which can be used more energy in nickel cadmium batteries and also in lead acid storage batteries. These cells can be used to drive vehicles also. The solar cells, which are made up of silicon, are used as a source of electricity in spacecraft and satellites. Nowadays, the solar panels or the solar cells are mainly used to run the water systems. It is used for take the water from ground. Motor pumps, mainly used for motor pumps in the agricultural land area and also used for lighting purpose in the remote land areas. So nowadays there are a lot of advancements in the solar materials in order to improve the production of electrical current from solar energy. There are more developments. One is the passivated emitter rear cell, heterojunction technology, half cell technology, bifacial solar panels, building integrated photovoltaics, concentration of photovoltaic cell, multi-junction solar cells and perovskite solar cells. So these are the recent developments in the solar materials. So these materials, these recent developments increases the production of electrical current and reduces the cost. Next we move to wind energy. We know that the wind energy is derived from wind. The fast moving air is known as a wind. The energy possessed by the wind is due to its high speed. Therefore, the kinetic energy of the wind is converted into mechanical energy. Windmill. So windmill, from the windmill, with the help of windmill, we harness the wind energy. So that wind energy is converted into electrical energy with the help of windmill. So it is a device which can convert wind energy into mechanical energy. So initially the wind energy converted into kinetic energy, after that it is converted into mechanical energy and finally it is converted as a electrical energy. The windmill mainly consists of a number of blades which rotates about an axle mounted on a pole. The wind energy is used to rotate the wheel. One end of the axle is connected to the armature of a generator, which rotates between the two poles, namely north and south poles of a strong magnet. Another end of the axle is connected to the shaft of the windmill. Therefore, the wind falls on the wheel of a windmill, it rotates, and the electrical current is produced with the help of this generator. Therefore, kinetic energy of the wind is converted into electrical energy. So, during the rotation time, the wind energy is converted into kinetic energy. When it is connected with the generator, it is converted as mechanical energy, that is in armature of the generator, it forms an electrical current. If more number of windmills are connected in a particular place, it is called as a wind farm. The small amount of electricity produced by each generator connected to each windmill is combined to get electricity on a large scale. Normally, this wind energy also possesses lot of merits, lot of advantages, because it does not produce any noise pollution, air pollution, any type of pollution it doesn't produce. It is very cheap and economics. It is a renewable one. It is betterly used to operate the water pumps and floor mills to produce electrical current and move the sailboats in lakes, rivers and seas. The disadvantages of using windmills are those who are living in nearly wind farms, they are affected by noise pollution, and also it affects the aesthetic nature of our area. The wind farms located on the migratory routes of birds will cause hazards. It is also produce the unwanted sound and which interfere with the electromagnetic signals. Wind energy is not sufficient to operate very heavy machines. So, we have discussed the importance of solar energy and wind energy. How the solar energy and wind energy is converted into electrical energy. Okay. Thank you, students.